Right, in this video, we're going to show how to use the store point option so you can perform as-built data collection in the field using your machine. So to do this, we're in your typical run screen. This works on dozer, grader, or any other kind of machine. We go to our tools menu, and then we have our store point options. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to page 2, and we'll go ahead and create a point file that we don't currently have one that we've started before. So we'll do add, and it's in a CSV format that any CAD program can take, or estimating program. So we'll go ahead and give it a name. Let's call it FG shots. Sorry about that. We'll hit OK. And then what we'll do is we have different measure options. So we can do it by distance, manual, where we just push the button every time we want to take the shot. I like that one a lot for road work, so I can shoot it at stations or station and then once in between stations, or by time, where it just takes a shot with a given time amount you put in it. But for the demonstration here, we'll just do manual. And then we'll do show points in plan view so you can see where you've taken shots. This record in auto. We'll make it where exactly what it says. It's going to record in auto, so really you don't want to use that unless you've already got your last pass made, everything's to grade, and you want to have it record while you're in automatic, so it's showing the recording based on it being at finished grade or finished subgrade, whatever you have. This use external buttons, that's going to be if you have buttons on your joystick that we can assign to take the shot when you push that, so you don't have to push the screen. And then measure points here, we have left, center, right, or reference. Reference is wherever your reference point is at on your blade, which we've shown in other menus or other videos. Left, center, right, we can do them individually, so it'll only take a shot on the left side of your cutting edge or right side, or we can take 3 shots at once. So it'll record all 3 with one click, giving you a full blade width. So I'm going to go back to the first page here. And we don't really need to pick a coordinate file. We can give it a point name if you want to give it a code there. We'll do show and run screen, so we'll see our measure button in the run screen. Once we have it all set up the way we want it, we can back out. And now we have this new button here. This is checked, letting us know it's going to store 3 points, 1 left, 1 center, 1 right. And as we're riding, we can just click the button as we go. We can see every time I click it, it's dropping some dots on the screen, letting us know that we have some points recorded there. Again, the simulator is a little older firmware, so the points are a lot smaller than they are in the latest version, but you get the idea here. Also, that's one thing that's not shown in this version is there's another button that says send shots to Connex. So as you take the shot, it's instantly sent back through the internet to the Leica Connect server, so they can view it in the office immediately. This file is being closed as soon as we leave out. You can enter back into it, but after you've exited out, if we do a data transfer, we can either sync it to our USB or do a remote sync if we want it to send directly to the office, and you'll have that CSV file to use as you need. Thanks, and hope this was helpful.